Good morning. Today is Terrific Tuesday, March 27th, 2018, and this is the Wake Up Call with CJ Halleck. It's time to get up. All right, so today's thought of the day is the true mark of maturity is when someone hurts you and you try to understand their situation instead of trying to hurt them back. And the reason I wanted to use this today, I was talking to an old friend of mine. I guess you can consider him somewhat of a mentor the other day. And we were just kind of talking about a few different things, and he had mentioned a tweet he had received, or basically a few different tweets he had received, and it asked me, if I'd gone through the same thing, and I'd went back and found a tweet that someone had sent me. If I remember correctly, I think I had mentioned that I thought Conor McGregor would lose the fight against Mayweather. Personal opinion, whatever. He got mad, and this guy sent me a tweet basically saying I should commit suicide. And it's one of those things, when you see people who come at you with that kind of negativity, or they do nothing but talk about you behind your back, they, whatever the case may be, when they're so full of negativity and they're trying to drag you down, there's a bigger issue at play. And it's one of those things, it's very hard to get to that point mentally where you actually try to figure out what it is and see if there's a way you can help them. But if they're trying that hard to bring you down, they're personally going through some issues. Whether it's they see problems, in you that fit who they are, and they see issues that they want to fix in you because they want to fix it in themselves, or whatever the case may be. Or they're just feel horrible and they see you succeeding and they're jealous, or whatever the case may be, right? You have to understand it's not necessarily about you. It's about something going on within them. And when you're able to actually try to understand what that is, and in one way or another, see if you can try to help that person get through it, however you may need to do it. But anyways, that's the wake-up call for today. Terrific Tuesday. I'm going to be running around like crazy today, so if anyone has anything, I will try to keep my eye. It's very easy for me to keep an eye on Twitter, so if you have anything, shoot me a message on Twitter, shoot me an ad message, whatever. As always, please remember to subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook. Subscribe to the podcast. You can go to iTunes or Google Play and just do a search for Wake Up Call with CJ Halleck. Other than that, hope everyone has a blessed and amazing day. My name is CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com. Be great, stay boosted, and we'll see you at the top. Have a great day.